Pattern number two, I would like to share with you the collaborative recommendation system that was invented also by Amazon.com. Yeah, so whenever you go to Amazon.com and you key in something of interest to you, then Amazon will come up with a lot of recommendation for you, right? So this system, the recommendation system, is already used by other many e-commerce retailer already. But remember, because this is a patented solution, they have to pay royalty and license it from Amazon.com. So behind this recommended solution, there's a certain logic, a certain steps. So I'm going to share with you what is owned by this pattern, right? There is a combination of steps. So basically what Amazon does, if you read the claims, I don't know whether the claim is big enough on the screen, but I hope you can read it. If not, I can share some of the slides with people who want. They have a table. Inside the table, they have similar items, right? These similar items are actually selected based on the collective interests of a big community of users. So let's say item A and item B, they are considered similar because a lot of buyer that purchase A also purchase B. So if the same buyer purchase the same item together, they will be collated into a table of items, similar items. So when someone go to Amazon.com webpage, I key in books on American history, for example, right? So what Amazon will do is Amazon will compare my interest, compare my interest with the table of similar items, and they will take out this table of similar item, recommend to you for your selection. So then instead of one book, there are many books that you can choose from. So if you look at the claim, actually this is what they own, right? The claim says you have a system. Again, it's a software system. On one end of the system, there is a table of non-usual specific lists, right? Those tables of similar items are based upon collective item interest of a community of users. So if this community to read this type of book, they are all grouped together. Then B, when you go to their website and enter in a matter of interest, then they will take your matter of interest and compare to the table and will take out the table and show to you, recommend to you. So by that, you will have a list of table to choose from. So this is the drawing, right? I hope you can see this also. You go to your computer, you key in your interest. So what Amazon will do is Amazon will compare with the table, and also they will look of your past history, the items that you have purchased, and then they can use that, your interest, your past purchase, combine with the table and come up with a list of items for you to choose from. So this is also something that we've been using every time we go to the internet, we key in something, a lot of recommendation comes out, but do we know this process behind the automated recommendation, and who owns it? Amazon is one of, this pattern was filed in 1998. This pattern has already expired also last year, right? The first pattern, the one-click, and the pattern, the recommended collaborative recommendation was a very old patent. From the very beginning, they have already had it, and this was part of their success. Okay, so this is pattern number 2, recommended collaborative recommendation.